Overnight, Bitcoin pumped here crazy to the upside, killed all the liquidity at 120,000 US dollars, and is now trading here at 122,000 US dollars. So in this video, we want to talk about what are the next price targets for Bitcoin and when you should enter the next Bitcoin position. So let's get started. First of all, let me give me a trade update here. I entered yesterday evening time Bitcoin position here around my evening time at 118,500 US dollars, and I put also a limit order down there at 118,300 US dollars, and I even also put it a limit order at 118,000 US dollars. The 18,000 US dollar limit order didn't get catched because I saw over the day that Bitcoin is here in this consolidation range here, and at one time as Bitcoin is here in something a range like this, we see a massive move to the upside, and this is exactly what we have seen here over the night. So yesterday we also got in this trade here. I told you many times, as soon we are getting the break of our resistance line here, enter the trade, buy a retest, and then trade this all the way to our exit target here at between 122,000 to 124,000 US dollars. I also shared this trade idea in our Telegram channel. So there you can see I shared this trade, I think around in the middle of the day, and in the afternoon we hit our first take profit, and overnight we hit here our second and third exit point. So congratulations on all who took this trade. Also the XRP trade is still running good, kinda few dollars away from our take profit one. If you also want to be part of our trading community, just go in the video description. There you find a link directly to our Telegram channel. There you can also join on all these trades. I give it there absolutely for free. Otherwise, if you're a little bit lazy and you want also be a part of all these trades we're doing here in the channel, just go also in the video description. There you'll find a link directly here to Bitunix. If you don't have an account on Bitunix, just go in the video description. There you'll find a link directly to the exchange. You can make your deposit bonus also there, or you can collect your deposit bonus there. And you can even also join our copy trading here over the last 7 days. We double our account on 100% to the upside. So we are performing quite good. We have also some trades running. Our XRP trade is here kinda on break even. Otherwise, our Bitcoin position is still big in profit. We'll talk later a little bit about. Also our Doge, Pepe, and also Ethereum position we opened yesterday in the video together. So if you are in the position, you should be great in profit. We opened all these trades here yesterday in the video together. So you should be all the way up here in profit. I remove now my stop loss a little bit higher into profit because I see here, especially on Doge, that we are forming like a consolidation phase. And even if we are breaking this low here, we should definitely expect here a move back to our entry level. So I want to go here definitely with some profits away. Even also on Bitcoin, I also moved my stop loss here at 121,500 US dollars. So as soon we're breaking this range, I expect definitely here a move way back down here to 120,000 US dollars, fill all the big vector candles is coming in. And also if you're having a look on the heat map, first of all, we cleared all the liquidity at 120,000 US dollars. But when we have a closer look on the 12-hour liquidation chart, or even also better on the 24-hour liquidation chart, we've seen that some liquidity is coming now in here at 123,000 US dollars. So I expect here one more move to the upside at 123,000 US dollars, and then we definitely are on the way down to kill here some more liquidity at 120,000 US dollars and then go back to the upside. So I expect here something like this here on the 15-minute chart, going a little bit sideways, getting one more move down, testing here our 120,000 US dollar level, grab the liquidity there, and then get the final move to the upside. So this is definitely what I expect here right now. So for myself, I want to go here definitely with some profits away. So that's the reason I put my stop loss away into profit. And as soon we are getting a break of our supported area here, we should definitely here fill this big vector candle at least to 50%. So if you are waiting now for next trade entries, there are two trade entries. First of all, the more risky side. The risky side would be if we are expecting to be above our resistance line over there. We are forming here kind of like a bull flag right now, or like a channel to the upside. So even we can, if we are getting a proper retest or a breakout, would be more on the safer side if you see like a breakout. Let me count is very accurate. So if you see here a breakout out of our channel to the upside, you can enter a long position. Stop loss should be very, very tight, like 0.5%, I would say. And trade is all the way up to our all-time high. So this is a more risky trade. As you see, the risk reward isn't the best. So I will possibly, if you're not in a Bitcoin position yet, wait for definitely a retest here or a fill of our vector candle around the level of 120,000 US dollars, because as you've seen here, there are a lot of liquidity coming in. Even you can put some limits order already down below there. So even if you're going here, we can put a limit order around 120,000. I would DCA in this trade. So I would put a limit order on 120,500 US dollars. Price target would be the all-time high. Stop loss, you have to definitely give the trade a little bit more room to the downside, so that if the trade coming to us, and the second one would be here at 120,000 US dollars, and also kind of like this, you can definitely argue. So at least if soon we're getting here in our trading range again, also on the 1 hourly chart, we are expecting here this one as a very, very big resistance level before. Now it's flipped in support, so we can also even change this box into green. So this is our supported box as our trades. Here we can delete it. Also here we can delete it because we get finally our breakout. So, and as I told you, as soon we are breaking here this level of 119,000 US dollars is all the way up to the upside. So at one time we will come back and test also the EMA ribbon. We can have a quick look also on the EMA ribbon, and there you can see definitely what I'm talking about. So also the EMA ribbon. The price are a little bit far away from our EMA ribbon, so it could be definitely possible that the EMA ribbon will be a little bit floating to the upside a little bit there. 120,000 US dollars should be a trade. So 120,000 US dollars is first of all in alignment with our support, a second one with the liquidation, and second one also with our EMA ribbon. And this third one, we can also check for the EMAs. Also the 20 moving average is here on the way up now, here around 119,000 US dollars. So expect here something like a more sideways move on Bitcoin before we make a decision, even the next move to the upside, which in my opinion is not that likely. I see here more like a correction of filling at least the vector candles here, at least to like 50%. And we definitely also have in mind the traditional market is also opening here on Monday today. So also there we should see some more volatility coming in this afternoon. So definitely be prepared here, something more like a more sideways move or move downwards to grab here some more liquidity, as you've seen here on the liquidation map. And then the way to the next all-time high should be very clear. Even also from yesterday's pump, the direction should be very clear. There are a lot of shorts coming also in right now, which means liquidity is building up right now over there. And if the liquidity is above us, also the direction of the price should be even also to the upside. So everything is pointing out here for Bitcoin making in this week the next all-time high. So definitely be prepared for us. At least when we're getting here a smaller consolidation or a break of the resistance here and find some support in this kind of 120,000 US dollar level, just go in and also trade this up to our all-time high. And if you don't know where you want to trade, just go in the video description. There you'll find a link directly here to Bitfinex. And even if you don't know or a little bit lazy about trading, just even be a part of our copy trading. So even there's also the second link in the video description. And that's basically all from the video today. Like a more shorter and a little bit more early video, but I definitely have to talk about the last pump over the night and the next trade target sphere for Bitcoin. And don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then we see in the next video tomorrow or even later. I have some meetings scheduled during the day, but let me try to get also on a live stream today. So then we see definitely over there.